outside, Mom?
Not right now. Let me get some video. If you can untie it, you can go inside. Hi, Abby. What you doing, Abby? Hi. Careful. Okay, close the gate back up. And go stand in the corner. I got it. Okay, go stand in the other corner. Don't get too close. Let them have some time alone for a minute, and then you can go say hi to her. Go stand in the shed. Or go sit on the bales.
You're just jumping around like crazy.
Yep, she's enjoying being a baby.
She's so curious about me up here.
Yep, she is.
I'm just gonna tap Molly.
Oh. That's good, Drew.
What?
That's good.
She was nibbling on me.
Mm-hmm.
But she couldn't do much harm. She wants to know how to jump further up.
She's trying to get over the crossbars.
I'll let her up. Oh, I think she's trying to way up.
Okay, Mama, I want a nurse too.
I'm gonna go down. Okay. Oh, she's in there. Oh.
She's like, I still can't get to the milk bar.
No, hold her on. She doesn't.
I don't know if she'll nurse while you're holding her, honey. Molly's just kind of facing the wrong direction. It's okay. She'll be okay. She's not starving or she would make a fuss at Mama. Can you scoot over the side a little bit?
Hey, Abby. She's still trying to nibble on me.
You like your little friend?
Mm-hmm.
Look what she does when you put your head on her head. She kind of... Look, let her sniff your face. She's trying to sniff you. Okay.
Oh,
She can
okay.
just on her own. Okay, I think she's asking to go down.
I'll go to Molly.
Okay, well, Molly might be asking for her baby back then.
Okay.
Let Molly sniffy. She's wanting to say hi.
Okay.
Well, now she wants her hay. Say hi, Molly.
Hi.
You remember you can scritch her here, like this, in her neck. Drew, look, right here.
Oh, like right here?
Mhm.
I think Abby wants to play with me.
Yeah, Abby wants to play all the time.
Now she's nibbling on my coat.
Yep, that's how babies get to know their world.
What, by nibbling on things?
By tasting things, yep. Human babies do it too.
Yeah, well, as long as Abby doesn't tear apart my jacket. Oh, she's trying to climb me.
Yep, that's how the other way goats explore their world, is they climb and climb and they play and play.
You want up? I'll give you up.
She's okay, she's just eating. She probably doesn't mind a little kid sitter for a minute. Okay, don't let her stay up there. Alright, why don't you put her down and just let her do her thing for a little bit, okay? She's had enough cuddle time. Do you want to go sit on the bales and just watch her for a little bit?
There's a button up there.
Yeah. I think she's trying to play with you.
Hey, Abby. Molly's a mama now.
Oh, she got in. Look.
Yeah.
Hi, Molly.
She wants to play tag.
Yeah. Obviously, she has some goaty games she wants to play.
Oh, she's trying to climb my arm.
Mhm.
So for that, I'll make my arm attached to the straw bale. Oh, she got in.
Yep, she did.
She stood on for a little bit.
Yep.
And she wants up on the bales.
Yep, she does.